Greetings, world. In today's German intermediate session, we're delving into the passive voice with the reflexive verb, sich lassen. Ready to make language learning practical? Head over to compean.com for more insights. Let's dive into lesson 6, passive with sich lassen. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here are a few examples. Die Fenster lassen sich nicht öffnen, the windows cannot be opened. Next up, das Puzzle lässt sich lösen, the puzzle can be solved. And here's the third example, manche lassen sich schlecht aussprechen, some words are difficult to pronounce. Typically, passive constructions use werden. However, when forming passive with sich lassen, the structure changes. For example, the active sentence, man kann die Bildqualität verbessern, one, can improve the image quality, transforms into the passive, die Bildqualität kann verbessert werden, the image quality can be improved. Alternatively, using sich lassen, it becomes, die Bildqualität lässt sich verbessern. Moving on, consider the active sentence, man kann die Schrift gut lesen, one can read the text well. In the passive, with sich lassen, it becomes, die Schrift lässt sich gut lesen. Notice how the accusative object in the active sentence becomes the nominative subject in the passive, and the agent is omitted. Here's another example, kann sein Fahrrad reparieren. He can repair his bike turns, into the passive, sein Fahrrad lässt sich reparieren. In this construction, the accusative object in the active sentence, his bike, becomes the nominative subject in the passive. It's crucial not to confuse this construction with sich lassen plus infinitive, where lassen means to cause something to be done by someone else. For instance, lässt sich die Haare schneiden, he has his haircut involves an active agent causing the action. We'll explore more passive constructions in later lessons. Thanks for tuning in, and stay updated by subscribing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.